Looking for a bread maker without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best bread makers under $200. Ranked. Number 5 is the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker, our best budget pick. This machine makes foolproof, one-touch bread for beginners, with 19 presets including gluten-free, and it's just $74. Coming in at number 4 is the 17-in-1 Stainless Bread Maker, our best for beginners. With 17 programs from French loaf to jam, plus beginner-friendly digital controls, you can wake up to fresh bread with its delay timer, all for just $88. It is a lesser-known brand, though. Our number 3 pick is the kitchengarm 29-in-1 bread machine, the most versatile on our list. It boasts a huge 29 programs, even sourdough and keto. Plus, it saves your recipe for one-press baking. It also includes a 77 recipe book, and all for just $104. At number 2, we have the Naretva 2.2 LB Dual Heater Bread Maker, our best dual heater pick. It has dual heaters for even, fluffy loaves, an auto fruit and nut dispenser, and a healthy non-stick ceramic pan. This is our priciest pick at $149. And our top pick, number 1, is the Cuisinart CBK 110 Bread Maker, the best overall. You can trust the Cuisinart name with nearly 17,000 reviews, and it has 12 programs plus cakes and pizza dough. All this in a compact, counter-friendly design for just $119. So there you have it, our top 5 bread makers under $200, with the Cuisinart CBK 110 coming in at number 1. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.